Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung J5 phone. The first thing we do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it is turned on. Hold down the main power button and turn it off. Once the phone is turned off, you need to take a rectangular brush with longer bristles. The bristles should be flexible, but they must be medium hard or soft, because if they're too hard, they'll scratch your phone, especially since you'll be using alcohol. And I recommend using isopropyl alcohol, which is pure by percentage, to soften the dirt and clean it off so we can clean the speaker. Afterwards, it will evaporate, so there shouldn't be any residue left. You can buy these brushes in a set, and the same goes for the diffuser on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll just scratch it, your phone. Once we have everything ready and the phone is turned off, we can move the phone aside. It will be more convenient for us to clean this way. We moisten the brush with alcohol. Important. Hold the phone with 2 fingers and clean in one direction. About 10 times in one direction. About 10 times in the other direction. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, so that the speaker is perfectly clean and works like new again. After the procedure, put the brush aside and leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. Let it evaporate from the entire area, that is, from the speaker opening. And now the phone is ready to use. You can turn it on and use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.